Hey G Squad, welcome back to an episode of Is It Worth It? So today's episode we got this cool amazing one right here, and basically what this is a mini electric screwdriver set. So you see the one that we got right here is from this brand right here. And we guys turn the back part right here. They provide guys some of the specs and features that's on here. So definitely provide guys a lot of different type of screwdriver inside right here for the different heads. But the product is rechargeable using a USB-C cable. So I should open this up to show you guys what the product looks like inside first. Alright, so first thing we see inside right here, they provide guys a cable. So basically the cable right here is USB to USB-C. So you can definitely use that to recharge the product. When we pull out the product right here, first thing we see inside right here, they provide guys a user manual to teach you guys how to use the product and also how to set up as well. And then right here we have the actual product that's all nicely wrapped up. So I'm actually take out the wrapper first. Alright, so once we take it out, this is basically what the product looks right here. So in the back part right here, they provide you guys some safety features on here and also show you guys how to use it. So basically I want to press on top right here to actually open up. So they do have the brand logo right here and the product name right here. So if you guys push this part right here, you guys basically unlock the top part. And if you guys pull it out, this is basically what the product looks like inside. So you see inside right here, they provide you guys a bunch of these heads that's in use. And then right here we have the actual product. So let's take this one out. Alright. So once we take it out, you guys can see that this is basically what the product looks right here. So they do have the brand logo and the actual product name right here. And right here is basically where you're going to plug in the cable to recharge it. And we see right here there's two arrow options. So this is the forward button and this is the reverse button right here. And then right here you see we do have an unlock and lock button option right here. And basically for this unlock or lock option right here, that is how you guys adjust the torque level on here or the torque gear. And bottom part right here is basically where you guys want to put the screwdriver head. And the cool thing about this case right here is the fact that the way how to design it is all magnetic. So if you guys try to take one out, you can definitely see how she has a strong magnet on here that she holds in place. And basically when you guys are ready to put the screwdriver head inside, just go like this. And the way how she holds it inside right here is using a magnetic option inside. So once you guys fully assemble it, this is what it actually looks right here. So when you guys are ready to use it, you basically want to turn this knob right here. And once you guys turn it, you guys can actually start using it. So if you guys press the forward button, you can definitely see that actually does work. If you go backwards or reverse option, you can see that that works as well. So definitely one thing to remember is that when you guys are done using the product, you definitely want to lock it. So that way you guys don't have to worry about hurting yourself by accident if you guys press on the switch by accident. But I definitely love how small and compact the product is. It's literally like carrying like a little pen. So that is basically everything that's on the product right here. Let me actually plug in the cable to show you guys how to charge it first. Alright, so you basically want to plug in the cable on the bottom part right here. And once you guys plug it in, if you can see right here, there's a red indicator light to show you guys that it is charging. And assuming once it's fully charged, that light will turn off or to change to a different color. But that is basically everything that's on the product right here. Let me actually go do a quick test to show you guys how the product works if you guys actually use it. And then we'll come back and talk more about the product in a second. Alright, so we got the product right here. Let me show you guys how it works. So if you guys want to unscrew it, you basically want to actually put it inside right here and press the reverse button. Alright, so you see the product definitely does work. If you guys want to screw it back in, you can see that that works as well. Let me actually do it one more time. If we unscrew it, you guys can see how it comes off really easily. If you guys want to screw it back in, so you can definitely see the product definitely does work. Alright, welcome back guys. So now this is a quick test of the product, definitely see that it does work. Actually works quite well. So you definitely have the option to go forwards or backwards on here and turn the reverse option, which is definitely pretty convenient. And it definitely has a really strong magnet to actually hold the screwdriver head, which is pretty cool. And definitely when you guys actually use the product, it definitely gives you guys a very good grip on here. And it's actually really small like I mentioned. So that way it actually makes it a lot easier for you guys to carry around. Especially when you guys put everything back together inside the case and keep it all organized. But that is basically everything that's on the product. Now to unboxing and testing product, and not the answer question of whether or not it's actually worth it or not. So for this product, we definitely have to say that it is pretty worth it. Especially if you guys are trying to look for a mini electric screwdriver that's everything that's actually included in this product right here, then this is definitely super worth it. But then obviously for those guys who don't want or don't need one or having one of these, then obviously don't buy one and save your money for something else actually do need. So that's basically everything for this video itself. If you guys like this video, make sure to smash that like button in the bottom. That will definitely help this video out and it will definitely help with the algorithm as well to promote more videos for you guys so you guys can see more of the videos or similar videos as well. But as always, make sure to stay positive, be you, and I'll see you guys in the next episode of Is It Worth It? Peace.